Cool guys, so as I told you guys, I would be going over two pairs, Euro USD and GBP USD. If you guys have any pairs you guys want me to go, I'm gonna be free. I will go through them and just show you guys what we expect coming up. As I say, this is the last week of trading of the year, so guys, make it out. Like try to make some good profits. Like at least stick to your start strategy and end the year strong. So next year you can start like with a better psychology, better mindset, like everything when you just better, at doing what you was doing. Um, so it's so easy. Are we first gonna start by showing you guys the trades that maybe we took this week, and then we can go over to the pair, then break it down, then stuff like that, and keep going up. So I think I'll be showing my screen in a second. So yeah, this is one of my pairs here, GPUSD. So we have and so this is Euro USD, my bad. So we have Euro USD. We took go back all the way to Monday. So this is Monday here. Took a trade. Here I knew this was an SMT. It's always good to go back and check the trades that you took so you can at least gain a confidence or know what you did wrong, to analyze the markets better. So here it was on the this was during London session. I knew this was gonna be an SMT or the price effect and give these guys invited sellers. Then I knew it was gonna be an SMT, so I just marked it out. Then I knew this was gonna be a strong supply zone because after price taking these people out, then it's gonna induce this level and then give us a whole reaction. Guess what? Price did the same thing, and I entered a trade off of here, gave me a clean 1 to 3. You guys can see, give me a quick 1 to 3. I crossed pressures. Then price came and gave me a break even. It's so easy. That's what I always say. But like most of the times, price is not gonna give you the whole home run. It's always gonna give you like some little pressures and take you out, stuff like that. That's why it's always easier for you to, just stick to strategy and then take pressures. I feel like that's the easiest way you can actually like become profitable in this industry. Take pressures, break even. Pressures, break even. Bro, I've been trading this account for 2 weeks and the 100K funded account. I've been trading it for 2 weeks. If I'm to tell you guys that it's only been five in those 2 weeks, I've tried my best to keep to maintain it. I didn't blow it. I didn't do anything with it. I just straight up focused and like didn't, you know, try to blow anything. So I didn't blow the account at the same time. I didn't I was managing the rules and everything and still guess what? I was still not doing, not getting like this good like the good trades that I need to get, you know. So I thought to myself, hey, wait for price to pull back to the 1 hour demand zone and then look for buys. The demand zone that I was talking about was this right here, 1 hour demand zone. As you guys can see, I had marked it out during the week, this week, and then price of course distributed to the downside. I took a loss here. It was because I felt like okay, this is what I'm saying, guys. I'm not perfect. I've been telling you guys this. I missed on this move. Price gave me a whole push, and guess what? I still insisted because I had all my biases. I had my order block here, my break of structure, everything, and price never pulled back to my zone. And guess what? Price gave me the whole move, right? Because this was the move right here. And then price came back. This was when I had set my limit, guys. This is why I say it's always better for you guys to take your trades manually instead of actually setting pending limits, whatever, and most especially if you're trading lower time frame. I feel like that's the best way you can avoid silly losses, because this was a silly loss. I already took this loss out of nowhere. I woke up and I had taken the loss. Why? Because I had set my pending order, stop loss and take profit. And that's what led to me losing this trade. And even it was a bigger loss because I lost like 2%. That was crazy. And I never risked 2%. So yeah, took that loss, took the whole non-decision didn't trade. I missed out on this one too because price didn't give me the pullback. Guys, I'm telling you, you're gonna miss some trades, you're gonna win some trades, and you're gonna lose some trades. So it's normal. It's not like um it's anything wrong, So yeah, here we missed this trade right here, and then missed another one here too. So this was Friday. So what I want to talk to you guys about is this was the mistake that I did. I think I was with my brother here. I think he's not in the Zoom call right now, but so I'm gonna go back a little bit. So so most of the times, guys, listen, right? Most of the times, price is always gonna give us this break of structure, and then us we're gonna wanna aim for the what? For the break of, sorry, it's gonna give us a change of character, and us we're gonna wanna aim for the break of structure here. But this is not the only way the break of structure is made, guys. Most of the times, if price does this like the way it did, right? Pull back. Sorry, I'm trying to delete it so I can go to a clear part. So if price does the way it did and comes back here, then gives you the change of character here. See right here, gives you the change of character. Guys, if price does this again, if price comes back here and then breaks again, I feel like this is gonna be also, this can be named as a break of structure right here, which I didn't see by that time. Uh, but me, I was still stuck to my rule that okay, I have to wait for this as my break of structure. Although this break of structure is the one that will confirm the real move, like it would be better if you see this confirmation. That break of structure as a confirmation, it would be way better because, but this also can count as a break of structure, you know, which is the same thing that happened. I hesitated and didn't take the trade, and it ended up giving me the whole move that I actually wanted. So, guess what happened? Price literally moved, as you can see, price broke here. So I would have marked this as my break of structure here, you know, but I didn't because I was waiting for price to break my overall zone here, right? Which is okay, guys. This it's not a problem. I'm just telling you, like sometimes you're gonna see stuff like this, and it's better to just like know, okay, this happened before. Okay, I can how can I react out of it? The same thing, you know. So yeah, then price literally came back, tapped into, as you guys can see, price tapped into the zone. After price tapped into the zone, just reacted right away and gave us the whole run, you know, which is okay because that's the main point, right? That's the main point. That's what we'll be looking for. So I had to delete all of that and come back. So you see how price just, if we would have got tapped in there, we would have actually gotten the win. But guess what? I pushed my zone here and I still waited for price to pull back all the way to the zone, which it never did. Cool. Go back to my pair that I always like to trade, GBP USD. See what we did this week. So this week didn't trade a lot of GU, I think, because I was more focused on EU. So yeah. Give me a second, guys. Almost done. Okay, hold on. So mine started right here. Yeah, mine started right here. So didn't take any trade around here. I know there was a lot of good moves. I didn't. I took a loss here. And you guys, you see, the good thing, guys, if you have a funded account, bro, get used to losing. Like, get used to taking losses just to risk correctly. I swear to God, risk correctly, and you're not gonna blow that funded account. You're not, bro. You never, bro. Like, literally the same thing that I do. Like, but I just risk correctly, and you see, I'm losing trades. But guess what? If I'm to show you guys, now I'm what I'm back at break even. You know, down like 0.5%, which is break even anyways. You know, so I'm just aiming for this week to just get a little bit of like maybe a 4% or 5% gain, and I'm good. Just wait for the payout. You know, but yeah, I took this loss. Let me see how I can explain why I took it, but it's just yeah, I think I had a, was it great? No, no, no. Took this loss right here because I thought this demand zone was gonna get respected, this overall zone right here, of which it never did. It never did, so which is okay. We took that loss down 1%. Said okay, cool. We took another L right here. See how, guys, you see how and I'm not like, I'm being way straightforward with you guys. Taking losses is good. Like it's not good, but it's like okay, you know, you can take the loss, but you just gotta, how are you gonna react off of it, you know? So we have that too. Took us to this loss. Crazy, but we had a break of structure, but just came, induced my whole point. Who was very wrong on this trade right here. Okay, cool. We leave any land, and then came to the last day of the week. Guess what? I managed to bank. Crazy sniper entry, sniper exit. You see, guys, you may lose all the three trades, but this one trade that I just won 1 to 9 bank. Like, you know, I mean, I was risking 0.5%, so I managed to bank like 5.5%. You know, which is okay, which is good. You know what I mean? Because at the same time, you getting a good RR. At the same time, you're risking less. So I risked $500, my 100K account, and again like 5 point something. You know, like crazy, crazy, guys. So. Yeah, this was the move that covered all the losses in the SOR, the G, you know. But yeah, the reason why we entered this trade too, guys, remember price had tapped into our demands in here.
What
Uh,
happened, Kieran?
price at top two to our demands on here. So then we had to expect any signs of confirmations on the time frame. That's why I dropped into the 3 minute and went all the way to the M1 time frame. And this is when I actually started seeing price induced, like inducement and stuff like that. So I saw this level right here, price induced this level, then price gave us a whole push. This was the breakout structure I was talking about. You see, guys, literally, the thing I just talked about, price is gonna give you the change of character, and then the breakout structure is still gonna happen. Then you can mark your extreme zone for mitigation. Same thing that did, and yeah, man, managed to back a whole 1.9% until this day. So which managed to get my account from drawdown all the way back to break even, which is okay. So now, what do we expect coming up for this week? Hold on, let me see if I took any. I don't think I took any trades on gold, but if we did, we're gonna see it here too. No, not really. There's just some losses. I don't know if I took this. I'm not sure because I don't remember me taking any. I was just the last week I was mainly focused on EU and GU only for pairs, not a lot of gold. So yeah, what are we expecting for next week, guys? Let me just go ahead and show you guys. So I already have my zones that are marked out. That's the good thing with trading. You can already have your whole zones marked out and stuff like that. Just gotta delete a little bit. This is why I be telling. This is why I be trying to like. I like deleting stuff, guys. I like deleting and like start afresh. Next week, like I just delete. I don't want to see the trades that I want. I don't want to see the trades that I lost. I just like refresh my whole mind and just start afresh, you know. So um always start from the day time frame. Fiscal master, you know now. This is what I'm telling you. I was texting you telling about, hey, this is how I analyze the market. Yes, we analyze the market from the higher time frame, but guess what? We always go down all the way to M1 for entry points. Like when you try to look for entries, confirmations. But analyzing, we can start from the daily, we can start from the monthly. Like it's always better. I prefer starting from the daily, as it's better. You know, it's a better idea and choice to me. I feel like I don't have to go all the way to the monthly time frame. I don't want to know what the month what was there. I just want to know what was daily. Then, you know, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 30 minutes, and you keep going down. So we can see that price is in the downtrend. So we overall we high time frame in a downtrend, right? And price just induced this level right here this week. Let me just delete all these. There's a lot, too much drama going on. Okay, so price just induced this level right here. The reason why I call it an inducement is because it happened as a week, then price pushed, reacted off of it. Did not like go all the way through. And then after that, what I always do, simply just give my highlighter tool. You guys already see it. I'm not from my mentor. I don't even. I think that's what he be doing too. The same thing. Just marks highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows. Then low, high, and a low, a high here, a little bridge. Came back, went all the way there, high, low, high. So this is low, then this is lower high, and this is a lower low. Okay, this is what we expect, and this is what we see on the daily time frame. How price give us a downside push down, like distributed us to the downside. So anything that we may expect coming up, any bullish signs until any POI zones like okay, let's say what 1 hour POI zones we have daily POI zones like this have this supply zone right here. Just make it out daily supply UI, right? And then I have that and sorry, let's put it in the middle. So I have that and then this is a good zone because price broke this level right here, right? This was a whole break of structure. And then plus we have our change of character here. This is all high time frame. This is why things are always gonna look the same, right? And this could be our decision, but since we're on a high time frame, so we don't even need to wait for this zone right here. So a lot of confirmations that we may be looking for is buys until this area. This can take like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I'm not sure. I'm not a swing trader, but this is what I anticipate because price already gave us the whole break, right? All these days just went all the way down to west, took them out. So we may expect a good push to the upside before actually we come all the way back, you know. So what I can anticipate, I go all the way back to the 4 hour. Let me see real quick. 4 hour price is still doing the same thing, dominating to the downside. Um, Although now things look a little different now, you know, we don't need to see, we already know what happened in the high time frame, we already know prices in the downtrend. So just get our highlighter tool again, just mark the lows. Lows here, here, then the low, the little. Didn't really do anything. Equal highs, pricing just equal highs here. Talk about this level here, the price to call this level out. Then give us a hard distribution. I like this. Okay. So we see we're in the downtrend here, right? Okay, bet. Now we have that. Let's just focus on this right here. Literally, let's even go to the 2 hour. Okay, so we see price is in the been in the downtrend all the way, just moving up and down, up and down, up and down. So anything that we know that we have confirmation about is okay, price is doing this. Have a whole trend line liquidity here. There is a line, you know. We have our 2 hour demand zone here, POI. POI here. Um, okay, we have that, and so since we're in the downtrend, even though we look for any confirmations until this demand zone, better, because literally you guys already see that, right? And so as we can get back our highlighter tool and now measure this high, the little low, so high, the little low, then this low right here, little high, you know, reached price did not meet together with price kept me together this whole big order block, which I don't recommend you guys even focusing on. Price gave us a whole push to the upside. Push came all the way, top tier, top, top. That's giving us a white change of character on the 2 hour time frame. So leaving us with the unmitigated POI. Okay. Guys, the reason why these are not okay, these are order blocks, but I just call them point of interest because that's when we're gonna look when price stops there, that's when we're gonna look for zones like, okay, is there in reactions like okay if price now starts moving all the way like this, right, and taps in here, I'm anticipating for sales until you know like I'm gonna go to lower time frame, look for my sales until this zone right here, you know what I mean. If price does not do that and price comes all the way down here, I'm gonna go to lower time frame, look for confirmations to buy because I know price is at a point of interest where price is gonna what may push until here, same thing. So as you guys can see now, what I have going on now, this is what I see, right? This is what I see in the 2 hour. Price gave us a change of character, break of structure here. Now, what are we expecting, guys? I don't know what is gonna happen. I don't know what is gonna happen, but I just anticipate what is like what I see. What I see is with just what I go with. You know, I don't say like this is what's gonna happen because I don't know. I really don't know what's gonna happen. But go all the way down to drop all the way down to 30 minute. Still seeing a lot of liquidity. So this liquidity is most expected to go like to be taken before even price pushes all the way down. So 30 minute time frame. Just set my lot here real quick. Here too. Okay, so this is it. Sorry, just want to make sure these are 2 hour. Yeah, these are 2 hours. So 2 hour supply. Okay. Got that. 30 minute. Okay, bet. So now you see what we got. So ours having a lot of these trend line increase relying. Okay, if price respects the trend line, this is what I anticipate coming. If price respects the trend line, then it's gonna keep going down, right? Then I will be looking for anything. I'm not looking for anything else until price taps into this zone or this zone right here. Nothing else. I'm not looking for anything else. But if price taps into this zone, then I'm interested in looking for buys, sells, you know what I mean? But buys most especially, right? another move if price takes out this liquidity, right? These are way too much liquidity anyways, and price does not give me confirmations to top all the way here. It's still okay to look for sells because already price is already exhausted, right? Took already enough liquidity, but it's better to wait for our confirmations to tap into higher time frame supply zone, then later on look for sells. That's feel like that's the better way you can anticipate it. Like if price goes all the way here, then taps into our zones, then look for confirmations. Like what do I mean? Go to lower time frame, 5 minute, then look for POI confirmations, right? Or we already see price distributing all the way down to the downside. And like right now, literally if you drop all the way down to like 5 minute, we already see our zones here. These right here, it's must gotta be like SMT, something like that. Because there's no way price is just gonna okay, price has been respecting this once, two, three times. So the fourth time it respects this, then these are trend line retail traders. A lot of them are gonna enter here. A lot of sales. There's gonna be a lot of sellers pushing price to the downside. Then if price pushes all the way down to the downside, then I'll be interested in looking for buys off of here. But since we're only gonna be looking for counter buys because remember high time frame we're bearish, we don't want to go against the whole trend like out of nowhere, no. But guess what, guys? If also price tries to give you guys reactions off of this zone, what do I mean? Don't like I don't mean like if price stops here, don't like right enter right away. No, 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 no. These are whole AP stop loss. Sorry, AP the whole zone. So now you can what you can do is maybe London session comes, Asia, price moves all the way. There's a lot of lines, guys. Sorry, I'm just gonna have to delete this a little bit. You guys already know what I'm talking about. So okay. I'm gonna delete this. Then let's say price comes moves all the way and taps into this zone right here. Then it's like London session, right? London session price taps into that zone, and then price is gonna give you like confirmations, right, to sell. I feel like why you should wait for first sellers to be induced first, because trust me, sellers price may first take out the sellers first, like early sellers, then later on distribute to the downside. If this zone is support is if this zone is to get like respected, you know, that's what I'm anticipating. But if it doesn't, then just wait for the whole move, the bigger move that we want. Price either taps into here, look for confirmations to sell, or price taps into here, look for counter buys, like these zones here. This can be a take profit. This even this right here keeps going all the way high, but this is gotta be the take profit zones from here, looking for counter buys. Yeah, I think that's what I see coming up for EU. If you guys have any questions on EU or anything, let me know, or you guys see the market some type of way, let me know. We can even discuss about it too. But I think that's what I anticipate coming up for EU this week, you know. Um, yeah. So what did I say? Let me take this down here real quick. Somebody text it in the chat. Maybe USDJPY. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do USDJPY. Hold on. So we expect price to um distribute either our supply high time high time frame supply zones or demand zones. Then later, then later look for entry point. Later look for entry points on lower time frame. So guys, I'm noting a lot of things. Entry informations on lower time frame. All right, that's it. Okay, that's what I anticipate, guys, for EU. So USDJPY. I do not trade USDJPY, but let's go ahead, guys. If you guys trade USDJPY, then let's go ahead and break it down. So, do you guys have any questions on EU before I go ahead? Any questions, or you guys are good? You're good? Okay, wait, wait, wait. So, okay, let me see. over to here. So all the way start from the daily time frame. Depends how then oh no way. Guys, this is how I used to trade. Hold on. This is when was this? 2022. Guys, this is how I really used to trade for real. Like I used to mark these ones out. Then no way, bro. This is crazy. USDJ4. I used to trade all pairs. Hold on, wait, hold on, hold on, hold on, wait. Guys, I swear to God, I came a long way, bro. Trading, bro, came a very, very long way. I ain't gonna lie. I was just seeing some stuff, right? I'm tripping on. It's right here. Hold on. Look at this, bro. I already used to enter zones like this. Crazy. No way. Look at this. But like, how many pips is this? 130 pip stop loss. This is crazy. And I used to trade like this. Literally, this no like not even lying, guys. Literally crazy. Damn, bro. Came a long way. All right, bro. Anyways, let's go straight into it. Let's go straight into it. We got time to go ahead and check a look, whatever. So what is USD giving? USD is giving price. Oh damn, we have equal highs here on the daily. It's crazy. So we have price. Okay, this. I can't say it's equal highs, but it looks like it looks like it. Yeah, it's more close to it being equal highs. And then price just started all the way distributing to the downside. Okay. Where can we trap? We want to trap price where any demands and where price may react off of, right? The first demand zone that I see, um, if I go down to like maybe the 4 hour, let me keep it on the daily. I see a whole zone here. Why? Because I had a high, a low, that led to a high, that led to another low. It's this whole big movement, you know, right here. So it's the one that really pushed the market all the way there, right? And then price came reacted off, and then it's actually giving us a distribution. So may we be expecting anything like here, something like that? Price to at least, oh, too much. Hold on, guys. Talking about these little supplies in here. If we go all the way to lower time frame, you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. Sorry, supplies in here. Let me go all the way to 4 hour. So this is what I'm talking about, right? Price has already distributed to the downside, and we also have another PI here in the 2 hour or 4 hour, sorry. So we have that because price pushed all the way. This is the breakout structure here, and then our change of character here. Talk about on the high time frame. So and this is the sellers that pushed market all the way here. Not this, because this pushed market here, but these are the sellers that led market to push here. So that's why I said this is the hot extreme zone that we actually interested in first. Not okay. Hold on. I've been marking out this zone. That's crazy. Okay, here we are. We're right here. Sorry, guys. My bad. Um, but you can see price literally crazy. The same thing that I just did. Price literally just came back and mitigated again, then looked for buys again. Crazy. Um, so we come back here. This is all not what this is not what we wanted. So we're right here. So I was doing the market the wrong way. Okay. So what I anticipate for GBP, sorry, USD if price is pushing all the way down, who sent the screenshot on the I don't know. Somebody just sent me something in the chat, but I didn't quite get what he was saying. So yeah, I have a whole supply zone here that I'm anticipating to here, right? And then we see price distributing all the way to the upside, but giving us the inducement like here, then giving us the inducement, then the push through right here, and then price giving us again another inducement here. If you got it like to 4 hour, price taking out all these zones here. giving guys the push, right? Okay, so what we see is prices really taking out a lot of zones, then pushing all the way up, and we in an uptrend too on USD JPY. So basically, I don't trade this pair, guys. Remember, I don't trade this pair. I'm just reacting off of what I see. Um, but we see price taking a lot of zones, then just pushing all the way up. But did price respect any zone here? What made price push all the way up, all the way here? So there's no POI. Guys, most of the times when there's no POIs that got respected or anything, price is just pulling back up to later on give us the move, you know? So later, not like right here, we see like there's no POI that got, how price started pushing all the way up. No, there's no like demands on here, but price just started pushing all the way up. Then we anticipate, okay, it's not just pushing up, it's actually coming to mitigate any zone here. So we have our change of character here, plus our horizon here, straight up, extreme zone here. So not the extreme, this is the decision zone right here. Guys, you guys have to know the difference between decisional zones and extreme zones. So this is the first decisional zone that we got. And yeah, we don't have to worry about all of this here. No, just worry about this one here because this is the sellers that led to price pushing all the way down here, right? They want to have a lot of drawings. So go all the way down to lower time frame. Yeah, so basically that, bro, I think this is what we see because there's nothing else that price is giving us. Price is giving us, let me show you guys in simple terms. Price is giving, okay. Guys, I've gone all the way up. Then guys, I'm coming all the way down, right? I'm coming back down. I didn't tap into this demand zone or anything, but I'm right here. You know what I mean? So price is just here, but it did not tap into any demand zone or anything, but price gave us a change of character and a break of structure. So price is just here. This is what I'm saying, that we either anticipate for price to go all the way here, then look for confirmation to sell as bro. As you can see, it's crazy, being bullish, or the easy way to say it is we may look for confirmations to sell off of here. If not, then buy, you know. Um, but wait for like the reason why here how I look for buys on here is only if my Asian law is taken, price is giving me the change of character and break of structure in the lower time frame, and then price is like literally mitigating my zone to the T and then giving me a quick maybe 1 to 3 break even, then maybe take me out or keep going, right? So looking for buys here, it's okay, but wait for your confirmations. Like let your Asian law first get taken, right? Wait for the change of character, wait for the break of structure, then scale to like then start looking for buys. But right here, there's no reason to buy unless we drop into time frame and then look for like supply zones, sorry, demand zones, and they have a higher. Okay, hold on. Okay, we see we can find something. So we see let me just start from here. So we have a low, the little high, the little higher low, higher high. This was news, so we don't really like count it out. So little low, the little high all the way here. Asian high, then low, then high, low, then high. Okay, great. Do we have any demand zones that you guys see? I see a clean one right here. I'm gonna back it from here to here, right? Demand area. 30 minute. Sorry. Okay. So I have that. I see something like that. How many pips is it gonna be? It's gonna be like 100 pips. Okay, this may be like landing session in New York. Okay, great. So the reason why I said it is price, the Asian law was already taken on here, and price distributed order to the upside. Great. So maybe price we look for something like we take out these zones right here because we're no way we have a lot of liquidity zones here. We have these two. We have an Asian law right below here. I know the screen is small. I'm gonna make it big. Something about this. We have a lot of zones that price is missuspected to take out before it pushes all the way up, right? So we have a lot of zones here, like for my lot here. Then if price start being respectful, then price start, taking out zones like this, I would look for confirmations off of here to let on look for buys until this zone. Or until your first take profit, maybe here. Because we're trading lower time frame, we don't want to aim for the home run. No. This is just that's enough. Having your TP right above here is actually enough. You don't need to aim for the whole move, right? But know that price is eventually gonna reach here, then look for confirmations and to sell price. But before that, we're bullish, man. We're bullish. We're really, really bullish. That's what it's giving. It's giving bullish signs, and we cannot just say we want to sell out of our feelings, but we have to wait, guys. Be patient. So we gotta be patient. So we have this level here. Just make it out as here we have these. Plus we have an Asian law right lying here. So I feel like that's what I would be anticipating if I was a USD trader. If I used to trade this pair, right? That's what I would actually be looking for. Then other than that, I don't see anything coming up because we have 100 pips all the way here, which is gonna be like maybe Asian session in London session, then New York is gonna give us the move. It depends. I can anticipate where price is gonna go. Do you guys have any other pair in mind that you guys want me to break down for you guys? Or we can go straight away to the look for news if we have any news coming up. Then yeah, I think that's all I see coming up, guys. But remember, if you're the type of trader, you guys remember you USDJPY. If you the type of trader who doesn't like who don't like care, not like you don't care, but like you open to risk, right? Some moves like this, you're not gonna just wait for all these 100 pips. You can use these 100 pips to your like advantage. Let's say if price gives you this break right here, this is a good sign that you know price is really breaking down, like giving you like break of structure. And then if price pulls back to the zone, that's what I'm saying. Then price distributes, like that would be a good sell off for you. But it would be riskier because it's just out of nowhere. You know what I mean? How sure are you that price is not just taking out this zone and just pushing all the way up? So that's why I always anticipate you guys to wait for price to tap into either your supply zones or your demand zones. Better, you know. If you have anything, guys, please text in the chat, and I will really go ahead and break it down for you guys. But other than that, that's what I anticipate coming up for USDJPY. Any other pair that you guys want us to break down, or that's it? Okay, hold on. Okay, great. So let me just go ahead and take a look at forexfactory.com. So we have pretty have I think we not that bad, but Monday London session, Euro USD, gonna be crazy. I mean, me, I would stay out of it because it has a lot of red forward news. So I would look for other pairs like GU. Um, although G is also gonna get affected too. So London session tomorrow, I might even not trade. I might even not trade London session. I may just come New York. New York also looks dirty, so the harder tomorrow, I'm not sure if I might even take a trade. Might easy just wait for Tuesday, But if you trade news, it depends, guys. This news may not even be that strong, so you can still use that as volatility and liquidity to price to push all the way to your zones. Just don't like trade like 5 minutes prior news or 5 minutes before news. Don't trade that because then if you have a pro forma account and they don't accept that, then that's how they're gonna bleach your rules and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what I anticipate coming up, man. I don't see anything else. Tuesday we good. We definitely good for Tuesday, but we just have some CPI coming up. Excuse me, CPI coming up on during the New York session. We good though. At the same time, we can trade, but don't trade New York session Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday's looking good. Wednesday's looking good. Yeah, Wednesday's a good day. Thursday, Thursday is a Thursday London session is okay, but New York session, Friday, yeah, Friday we good. So yeah, I mean, you guys go ahead and take a look at your Forex Factory. It's up to you. You know how you trade. how many like track records you have for yourself trading. So I can't do anything, you know, to let you guys know. So other than that, guys, that has been today's Zoom call. If you guys have anything, any question, let me know. I will ask you guys any psychological questions. Crazy. I will let you guys know. Um,
Well, how do you manage your risk on pro firms exactly?
so that
What
as a
percentage is
okay, okay, great. So as I told you guys earlier, like be open to risk, bro. Like don't open to read, like don't remember the whole point of this is to prove that you're a trader and to get a payout. That's it, right? But we tend to like pass phase one, phase two, then after phase two, you feel like you've done it. You've done it all. Like you got a certificate, but guess what, bro? You still have that payout. And then they trick you to tell you that hey, you have 14 days to wait for what? Your first payout, or you have 20 days, or you have however many days they give you. And then that's gonna like flick you. It's gonna flick you off because then you're gonna think, I have 20 days to trade. I have to be open to the markets. Bro, according to your question about risk, is some guy told me about this, right? See, I've been using that since, right? So let's say you have a fresh 100K account funded, right? Phase one, phase two passed, you fund it, right? Risk 1% until you down 5%. So let's say you lose trades and like you down 5%, then reduce your risk 50% off. So what do I mean by this? Reduce your risk, like if you're risking 1% and then you down 5%, reduce your risk to 0.5% until you back up again to break even. Am I making sense or something like that? Yeah. Risk 0.5% until you back up again on break even. Then you can go back to risking your 1%. Then that's when like you're gonna get the confidence to get those home runs. That's if you still want to keep your account. But if you open, maybe you have 5 accounts, bro, keep risking 1%. I mean, you're a good trader, you just follow your rules. You're not gonna lose 10 trades in a row. It just doesn't make sense. And now it's never gonna happen. If you actually like know how to analyze the market, there's no way you're gonna lose 10 trades in a row. Never. And you're risking properly at the same time, you know?
yeah, mine is I think I also designed a new one whereby when the account is back to break even, that's when I can risk 1%. Then as long as I go to a drawdown below the original account balance, that's when I risk 0.5%.
Hmm.
Is that a good one?
So, hold on, you said what? Say that one more time.
I risk 1% as long as the account is still at its initial balance. If let's, for example, I'm on a 5K account challenge,
Yeah.
as long as I'm not in a drawdown, I'll risk 1%. But if I go in drawdown, that's when I reduce my risk to 0.5% until I go back
Yeah,
to break even.
that's a safety play. That's good. That's you risking safe. Like that's good because then you have a buffer. You're building a buffer. You're like, okay, you know what? If I know if my price, if I'm up on the account, then I can risk 1%. But if I'm down on the account, then I can, that's a good one, bro. I said that's a good one. You're not gonna if you just keep doing like that, you're gonna in the long run, you're gonna have an edge build up, like a longer curve that's going up, build up because you're risking properly. You're not doing this silly mistakes, but. Yeah, man, I think you got it, bro. For real, for real. That's actually.
Then do you have like a minimum percentage that you target for, let's say, before your payout is released?
I mean, I say if you just like got funded, if you just got funded, bro, like the first you never got funded before, right? And for 3%,
Yeah.
and for 3%, it's because we trade a lot of time from you're gonna get a 3% any single day, any single like as long as you trade, you're gonna get a 3%, risk 1%. Get a 3%, just wait for the payout first. Get that payout, then they're gonna remember they don't they the way our platforms work is like they increase your account size after every payout, right? So let's say they say after your
Mm.
first 3 payouts, we're gonna if you have a 100K account, we're gonna make it to 125K account, Then after that, okay, we're gonna increase to 150K account, so they keep on scaling you, right? Um, so it's better. Bro, remember, it's according to even how you live, bro. If you like where you are, if you're like in a good place, you don't need like your expenses are not that high, but you don't need to like aim for this low, like big long runs. I'm not saying settle for race, like don't settle for less, right? You can aim for however much you want to aim for, but I'm just saying like you gotta be realistic to yourself too. I feel like that's gonna be a better way.
Then one thing I wanted to ask about you. You said you had engaged with Equity Edge.
That was back then though. That was because right now equity they don't allow us equity edge UK like it's a UK based platform, you know. So ours US traders trading from there is like nah, they don't even allow because every time you go to log in, there's not like United States, stuff like that. So that's why,
Uh,
yeah. Do you have any other questions?
then which programs do you use?
Yeah, I use right now I'm using Finedex, Find 100K with them, Finedex and
Funded Net?
these are all American programs, so they good, right? They pay
Funded Next.
like hmm?
It's funded next, huh?
Funded X, not Funded Next.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Funded X. It's on IG. You can check them out. Another one I use is Paradise. Paradise, they don't do like two phases. They just give you one phase, make 10%, then you find it. Um, yeah,
Which one is that?
Paradise Capital. These are all like
Paradise.
yeah, I think I can text it right here. So Paradise
Mm.
Capital and find it. Text. Yeah, this is the accounts that the another one when you try out accounts always like aim for low, don't just like aim for the high account, just aim for the low one, then you can scale later on. You know what I mean?
All right.
Yeah, man. But other than that, I feel like do you know these one that hold on, give me a second. Another one thing that so hold on. But this looks good. This is what I'm actually gonna be anticipating for today. Nothing else. After that, then I will be down for like the whole read the whole day after that. But other than that, bro, I think that's gonna be it for today. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. I will be willing to like help you guys out. Do you guys have any other questions before we finish?
Yo, Jane, can you hear me?
I can hear you, bro.
Yo, what's up? How are you, bro?
I'm good. How you doing, man?
I'm okay, bro. I swear, man, I really appreciate your help, man. I swear, I'm really grateful. You
Hey
know,
man, hey man,
I
it's
swear,
up to you. I
I
I
swear, you don't really understand how grateful I am. I swear, you're a
I took
lifesaver,
my
man.
hands. I took my hands. You have all the access to everything, brother. I'm not even, do your thing. Just prove us, show us.
No, honestly,
I,
you do. I really can't, okay, when you gave me that thing, right? Access to it, I
yeah,
watched almost all of them. I made notes, kind of back tested and all that. Although I had, my time management wasn't that good, right? Because I had other stuff. But then I
yeah,
tried my best to keep up and all that, right? So then my trading really improved. I saw where, I really understood things like smart money traps, all these. You remember those things I used to ask you? Yeah.
yeah. I
Now I
remember.
understand them in details. Okay.
That.
So,
Hmm.
and really work out. I saw this guy is a beast. This guy is a real beast, I swear. I give him respect, hands down.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
guy is unreally trained the way I trade. So when I really understood all these things he teaches and all that, then I was like, okay, let me go and try on the funded challenge. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
And so far, I've passed like three funded challenges, trials only, trials, not everyone, trials.
it's
Okay.
okay.
And I've failed
Okay.
like two. Okay. So what I wanted to do was I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to test my trading how it is before I buy a funded account. Okay, and bro, this shit is crazy, man. I've been seeing
You've been
I
catching
don't
these
know, bro, but I'm just
RRs,
really
the 1 to 10s.
bro, 1 to 10,
I'm
and there's
telling
actually a trade. There is a recent one down on Friday. It took down
you.
for I think it was GU,
Yeah,
right?
GUG.
Remember the buy?
Yeah.
Yeah, down where you took your stock, your take profit was at the Asian at the yeah
This right
that
here.
was at the in the middle of the Asian session. Yeah,
Mhm.
there. I also took that same trade, and
Oh,
I
for
got.
real?
I swear,
You the goat, man. You the goat. Now you doing. Come on, man. I swear to
and it's
God.
not the only one. I've been
Huh?
seeing some other trades you take in the Discord. I
Yeah.
also take them, but I just do them low key. Right now, I don't be posting until I feel like I'm really that confident and really that consistent.
But it's up to
So
whenever you feel consistent and like confident, that's when, bro. You never want to do something that's not gonna make you feel comfortable. You know what I mean?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
but whatever that makes you feel comfortable. Now, like I literally took this trade, the same trade Jeremy took, the same one, just because he lost it and I won it. The only reason why I won
crazy,
it
bro.
is because my Asian high was here and
Yeah,
his Asian high was somewhere else. I don't know how he did it, but he hauled the trade. He wanted it long a little too longer. But me, I was like, you know what? I'm good with the one to eight. Like 1 to 8 is good for me. I don't have to aim for 1 to 10 or something like that. No, no, 1 to 8 was good. Aim for Asian high, crazy. And you see how this all work out. This like literally price inducement push, right? Price comes
yeah,
down,
yeah, yeah.
push gives us the break of
Use
structure,
them. This
mitigation,
man,
entry. Crazy,
crazy, bro.
crazy,
This guy
bro.
is a beast, man.
I'm
I
telling you,
give him
man.
too much respect. He's the goat as well. Even Yarim himself is the goat as well. So
Yeah,
like, I
I
actually had a
understand.
question. I wanted to ask about prop farms. So right now there are a lot of discounts, right, on prop farms and all that.
yeah.
So I wanted to buy a prop farm and then I trade it. I think like next year in
Mhm.
January when the holiday season is done and all that. But as for now, I'm still taking funded challenge trials and all that. Okay.
I
So
think
I wanted
we go
your
for equity hedge.
First wait for him to first get down, then you can talk, bro. Go ahead, Ajan.
so I wanted your recommendation on prop farms so that I can choose where, like which one like dance with the best let's say brokers and all that. So I was passing through some of these, you know, um I was passing through some of these funded challenges, right? And then some of them have some rare brokers that I've never seen, some I've never tried. So I'm not sure which one has maybe some
Yeah,
complex, system of using some like that. So I wanted your recommendations on some of them.
here. I'm already sharing it with you. My recommendation is this because it's been there since 2025 and sorry, 2015, and it's been like it doesn't have crazy rules at the same time. The reason why I can't use this is because they banned us. They banned US traders from using this program. But any single time they could unban us, this would be like the best program I could go with, like literally. Because you know what I mean? The second best program I could go with is Funding Pips. This
Funding
guy's great,
pips.
man. They even have a 15% discount right now. So Funding Pips, but guess what? Don't go for the two step. Don't go for the other one, whatever.
One step.
Yeah, no. Go for the two step, like the normal, the regular one. Because if you go for these other new ones, the way they have some, like some crazy way. I don't. They have
Yes.
the consistency rules, some like other weird rules that you don't need to know. You know what I mean? That's why I'm better like, oh, bro,
Yeah.
it's off. Use this. Go ahead, try show them what you got. They have always the good thing that only have two step one, step two, then step three, you find it simple. Get a 10K,
Yes.
whatever fits your budget and scale, bro. Go ahead from there.
So funding pips, right? They have the trading platform they use. There's C-Trade and then there is
Trade locker.
how they call it? Yeah, Trade Locker. So like which one is like better to choose from?
Which one is better?
Yeah. Because I tried like making a funded challenge trial using what funding pips, but it wouldn't allow me. So I wanted to first see how the broker works, but it wouldn't allow me to create.
Free
Yeah.
trial. Yeah, funny. Some platforms, not all platforms offer free trials, bro. So that's why some platforms are not gonna like give you the free trials that you need. But yeah, man, this is the best platforms that I think out there right now. Although I feel like because I've not had any complaints from them. Like I've not had people say, "Yo, this guy did this, pay this, and this did not pay me out. This and this did not pay me out." But the number one, go with this, bro. I swear. I mean, it's gonna be a little expensive, but it's gonna like guaranteed. Like there's no Z X Y Z. No, guaranteed. You're gonna get paid up. You know what I mean?
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, I
man.
get.
But other than that, that's what I mostly anticipate from there.
How about equity edge?
But that's what I'm saying. Fiscal Master just telling me about it. Equity Age. I don't know. Equity Age. Equity Age is I don't know. Equity Age.
They're giving like 40% discount. Wow,
You know what I'm
that's
Yeah,
saying?
crazy.
Like they're gonna give you this type of discounts, but do you know that because
I researched it today and I already bought one 5K at $18.
12
Crazy, bro.
here at $20. I mean, they nice. I'm not gonna say that they bad. They nice, but just know that okay, I'm gonna be honest, straight up. You're gonna get funded, but their spreads are ass. Like they
Desperate.
yeah, these spreads are not good. So why do I say this? Is because I mean Yeremi's funded member Discord chat where like everybody that just funded, and they be talking about like how this and this is not like worth it. So like that's what I hear about talking about. So yes, they pay out, they do everything, but they just don't like they have bad spreads. You know what I mean? So like
Yeah.
10 spreads on your USD. Like who puts 10 spreads on your USD? Like when it's supposed to be one, like it just
Yeah.
doesn't add up, but I mean, man, try them
It's
out. As
crazy.
I say, it's all about but what I would the way we trade, I would advise you to get a platform that offers 1 to 100 leverage, not 1 to 50, because now you have how many? Let me see how much leverage is this? Because then you will not have enough room to express your because 1 to 50 you cannot risk 1% with a because you're gonna lower time frame. It's gonna be a bigger lot size, and they're not gonna allow you to use it. There's this also is it Quantel something like this right here.
Yeah.
Another platform that are crazy 40. You see they're giving all these crazy 40% off discounts, but it's because my friend is funded with them and he's waiting for his payout. So I'm not sure if they're gonna give it to him, but after when they give it to him, then I will let you guys know that okay, if Quantel is legit, or it's not. But
Right.
yeah, man, there's a lot of good programs out there. You just
How
don't.
about you
Hmm?
said something about trading X? No, funding X, something like that.
And this right here, this is the guys. So this a
Funded X.
US pair is good because I got it from the guy. These guys literally they paying out like
Congrats again. This is our biggest payout so far.
50K payout. Crazy, right?
Guys, this is our top trader, Marco, 19-year-old from Switzerland. He ended up with
So you see, like you guys are really getting. So it's not like I mean me. Hopefully, I get a payout too. I'm not sure that I cannot not guaranteed. That's why they did not even put it among the top first because they have not paid me out yet. But that's why I'm
Oh
okay.
yeah.
If they pay me, I will let you guys know. Okay, guys. Yeah, Finedex is a good program. You guys can try it out. But before that, I believe by seeing action. You know what I mean? Not just like talking.
Yeah.
All this I don't want to see all of this 3K. No, no, no. I want to see like, hey guys, because I guys pay out. You know. Other
Yeah.
than that, do you have any questions? It's gonna be it.
Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I don't have any other question. I just wanted like recommendations on programs. But other than that, nothing else. And I really want to appreciate it, bro. Like,
Hey, it's cool, man. Any single time, there's no for real, for real. You know what I mean?
yeah,
So,
yeah.
hey guys, appreciate you guys for coming. Hey, ADL, do you have any question? Oh, that's it. Cause then we'll be done for today.
Hey, there's something I wanted to say. It's more of like a recommendation.
Okay.
You know how like your YouTube is still growing and all that. So I
Mm-hmm.
was suggesting, how about like maybe create also a TikTok account and you also be posting there because things go viral very fast there.
TikTok. I was actually supposed to like I'm about to start like recording myself trade like just out of nowhere. Every trade I take, I just record myself. Then like even the profits, everything, I just post it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna I'm gonna be doing that, but it's gonna take me a long time. It's gonna take me like a long. The problem is like I trade like midnights. Like I don't sleep, so that's why like it's always hard for me
Uh,
like, to record and all that content and the. So, but I'm gonna try to see if I can because I want to be consistent with YouTube too. I'm not that much of a YouTube guy, but because I know my money from Forex is gonna be crazy. So like I don't need to I don't need YouTube. YouTube is just like okay, I'm just gonna post and you guys are gonna see for like free content. You feel me? But it's not really like I really need it.
yeah.
But I'm gonna try to focus on it, man. I'm gonna try to focus on that too. Appreciate it though. You know.
This is-
Yes.
peace, bro.
All right, man. Hey, appreciate you guys for coming. It's been a great time, great talk, whole hour. Talked a lot, expand a lot. Hope
Thanks for
you
the
guys make some
motivation.
stuff. Hey, Ajang, up to you, man. You have to get a payout. There's no way. The same thing that I got is not what you get. You feel me? So it's not just to focus on your mindset, like just looking with your mindset and just elevate from there, man. You feel me? But
Yeah.
We'll be up there soon. Trust me. 2025, man, we have to. And then remember,
I'm joining you soon.
these years keep stacking up. Like these years keep stacking up, and like the more you're gonna keep elevating. Trust me. It's just that's just the nature, bro. For me,
Yeah.
yeah, man. Appreciate you guys though, for real, for real. Thanks you guys for coming up, spending time. You know, we had over like 8 people coming today, and that's it. Which is okay, cause after next week I have a special guest coming up, so hopefully we're gonna have like 20 people in here, something like that. Yeah. But other than that, appreciate you guys, man. For real, for coming up. Hope you guys have a nice week of trading. Peace out.